PowerZ KT002 is one of our best-selling testers. It shares most features of KM003C, but focuses on USB-A devices and is much cheaper, priced at $69.99. What's more, it even got a limited time discount, priced at only $49.99. And today we will unbox it and see how to use it. The packaging is the same as the KM003C, but the label on the back turns red. It supports PD 3.0, 2.0, PPS, QC4+, QC 3.0, 2.0, FCP, SCP, SSCP, AFC, VOLC, Super VOLC, Dash, Warp, Apple 2.4M, DCP charging protocols. Open the box and take out this little iron box. The KT002 is covered by a layer of foam. It has a 1.8 inches TFT display that supports gravity rotation. The green sticker is part of a screen protector. You do not need to remove it. The top and bottom are USB-A male and female ports, and the HID port is different from KM003C, is a micro USB port. The multi-key on the back is the most important key. We will see how to use it later. The most significant difference from KM003C is that it supports a range up to 0 to 24 volts and 0 to 6 amp, and it does not support the latest PD 3.1 and QC5. The size of this tester is about 56.7 by 70 by 34.7 mm. The thickness is about 9.87 mm, and the weight is 25 grams. Compared to KM003C, the most obvious advantage of KT002 in terms of appearance is its larger screen, making it easier to read the test data. After the brief unboxing, let's see how to use the tester. Since it has only one button, multi-key, we will break it down into 3 sections. First is the short press. The first page is the basic charging info. A short press will take you to the second page, which has more detailed charging info. However, the third page only provides voltage, current, power, and temperature. When short pushed to the left, you will enter the protocol trigger page, and the dial button becomes vertical navigation. Double-clicking returns to the home page. Pushing to the right takes you to the module page, but this module is not officially available for purchase. When you long press the button for a sec, here is the settings page, including time, sound, language, developer tools, factory reset, etc. Pushing to the left for a sec allows you to enter the storage page, where you can run Lua scripts, format storage, and perform other functions. Pushing to the right for a sec takes you to the standby screen, where you can check the date, time, and internal temperature. If the tester is left idle for a long time, it will also go to the screen, like the standby mode of iOS 17. Finally, a double press allows you to observe the real-time data curve of VBus, iBus, just like the KM003C. In this mode, a long press can also switch to D+ and D-. For a USB-A charger, you can simply put the tester between the charger and cable. But what if you need to test a USB-C charger? That's when the 2 USB-C ports come into play. With 2 USB-C cables, you can also test the power. And you can use it to test the MacBook Pro. The power can reach 83 watts. By the way, this micro USB cable is used to connect to the computer. Yes, like the KM003C, it also comes with a dedicated PC software. You can use it to observe and record test data intuitively. Next, let's see how can we use it to test charging protocols. Go to the protocol trigger page. As we mentioned before, you will find the Fast Charge Auto Enum option. The alert reminds you to disconnect any device connected to other ports. After a short wait, it will end with a beep. The supported protocols will be displayed in green. Since we are connected to its USB-A port, the PD protocol is not supported. After switching to USB-C port, you can see that it can detect PD 3.0 and PPS. Well, KT002 can be seen as a mid-range tester focused on USB-A devices. While it lacks support for the latest protocols such as PD3.1 and doesn't offer the same measurement precision as KT003C, it has a larger screen and comes at a lower price. If you have many USB-A devices or on a limited budget, you can consider the KT002. Okay, that's all for today's video. You can now click the link in the description to buy it at a discounted price of $49.99. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you in the next video. Bye!